Did you know that human brains are getting larger? And that might be good news for the future of dementia risk. A recent study by UC Davis researchers found that individuals born after the 1930s have larger brains, which could be linked to a lower risk of dementia later in life. The study, which involved analyzing brain scans of participants in the Framingham Heart Study, found that individuals born in the 1970s boasted an impressive 6.6% larger brain volume and a remarkable 15% larger surface area compared to their counterparts born in the 1930s. Researchers attribute this growth spurt in brain size to a multitude of factors, including advancements in healthcare, education, and nutrition. They theorize that these improvements may have contributed to a more stimulating environment for brain development throughout life. The exciting implication of this study is the potential link between larger brain size and a reduced risk of dementia. While further research is required to solidify this connection, the findings offer a glimmer of hope for the future of brain health. This is an encouraging development, and researchers are eager to delve deeper into the reasons behind this observed increase in brain size. By understanding the contributing factors, we can potentially develop strategies to promote optimal brain health throughout life, potentially reducing the risk of dementia for generations to come. Thank you for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you.